looks like a Peterbilt, but it drives like a T2 Buckeye. 3 T34 turbojet engines on the back. Watch him as he spools it up. Gets ready to pop the mirrors. To the exhaust. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you How about that for 19,000 pounds of thrust, Sandy Sanders?
Oh man, I'll tell you what, then that converts to approximately 36,000 horsepower.
From Pasadena, California, that's where he was born and raised, now lives in Galena, Kansas. He is the son of legendary jet car designer, builder, and driver Les Shockley. Look at that smoke. He creates his own weather system. It's the world's biggest pig lighter right there, Sandy.
Well, Rob, I want to tell you, too, another indication here of the end of a perfect day. You can see we got just a little slight breeze
from looting. The skill of one Kent Shockley. Can you imagine what it was like when Kent Shockley turned 16?
Well, I remember when my dad turned the keys over to me, to my car.
What did he say?
Well, there was a whole bunch of rules to follow. Don't be erratic, don't be a show-off. I don't want you going out and seeing, look at that, isn't that beautiful? I don't want you seeing, raising a cane with the neighbors, and be careful. That was the big thing was be careful, or you can give me the keys back.
Oh, well, if I were Les Shockley, I'd say the same thing to Kent, wouldn't I?
Well, I would think so, yes. After all, it's a father-son relationship.
Yeah, well.
What did he say?
He didn't say that. He tossed him the keys and said, Kent, drive fast.
Drive fast.
That's it.
Oh, boy.
Now, we get down to the left-hand side here. What we got to tell you is that this jet truck has the world speed record certified by Guinness at a speed of
376 miles per hour and change.
Indeed. All right. Bob Whitney's out there, the crew chief. They've gone through everything. He's taken a last look at it. Watch him spool it up, ladies and gentlemen. We're going for a run in excess of 300 miles an hour.
One more time before he spools it up. You know what? When Les said drive fast, if he didn't drive fast, he said, give me back the keys.
All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. 3, 2, 1. We got us a race here. Release brakes ready now. There's 50, 75, already at 120, 50, 72, 240. What is it, guys? 313 miles per hour. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Kent Shockley.
All right, come on, get those hands together. Shockwave.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, yeah.
What's coming up next, Sandy?
Well, it looks like here on our schedule we've got John Culver in War Dog, and John should be taxing out momentarily.